Welcome to the Dominican Republic. While in Amber Cove, we decided to do the Iberostar Costa Dorada all-inclusive beach escape. Now, we booked this excursion straight through Carnival. Now, the hotel, they'll pick you up at the pier and take you all the way to the resort. It's a 30 to 40 minute bus ride. Now, you may be asking, what does it include for this all-inclusive day? Well, you get snacks and lunch and alcoholic drinks, non-alcoholic drinks, non-motorized sports, beach access, and a pool. And one thing good to know, if you're 18 plus, you get to consume alcohol. Now, as you arrive here at the Costa Dorada, well, they'll greet you right off the shuttle. They'll put that all-inclusive wristband on, and they will hand you a towel. Now, of course, the website says bring a towel. As you see, they are handing them out to the guests. And also, you will receive a welcome rum punch drink. I'm sure they have non-alcoholic ones for those that do not drink. Now, of course, this is a great opportunity if you're with a great bunch of people to do a good cheers. Now, as we walk through the lobby area at the end before we go out into the courtyard, there's an excursions desk. So if you want to do something while at the resort, well, you can book that as well. Just make sure you bring your credit card. Now, as we walk through this courtyard, we can look off to our left and we see the big theater area, and to our right, a bunch of the restaurants. This would be a nice place to do a week-long trip. There are 5 restaurants, 4 bars, a nightclub. Here is a map of the property. It tells you exactly where everything's at. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You can find anything that you need. Now, I'm sure they have this pool reconditioned by the time you get here, but we were unable to partake of that side of the pool, but we still have plenty of good fun in the rest of the pool. Plenty of loungers, plenty of umbrellas, plenty of fun in the sun. Now, let's take a look around. There's the towel hut if you need extra towels. There's the pool bars, they open up at 10 a.m. Now, of course, this is the kiddie pool. If you've got young children, they can play in that pool there. You've got the shower. You can wash the sand off your feet. If you feel like it, you can come over here and play some chess or some ping pong. Now, off to our right, here's the snack and lunch hut. We'll see that later. Now, we'll make our way to the beach. There's a hut here where you can get massages. Now, if you want to, I guess you could get up a game of soccer out in the sand, or maybe some beach volleyball. Let's make our way on down here to the beach. You got plenty of loungers, plenty of umbrellas, plenty of fun in the sun. Beautiful beach area. You don't have all those vendors hassling you. Great times. Now, talking about food, let's check out the breakfast buffet in the El Mercado. Fresh squeezed juices, fruits, cereal, milk, lots of different types of breads and pastries and meats and cheeses. And of course, if you want an omelet, well, they'll make that for you too. Let's just check. Let's go over here and check it out. Looks great, don't it? Now, of course, there's plenty of seating out here. And of course, you have your drink stations, coffee, tea, sodas. Now, this is the snack and lunch hut. They offer throughout the whole day. They have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This was at lunchtime. Again, a great salad bar, fruits and vegetables, sweets, hamburgers, hot dogs, all the fixings. French fries, can't go wrong with that, right? Some other great dishes. Of course, pasta, pizza, nachos. Now, of course, we are back at the El Mercado restaurant for lunch, just to check it out, see what they are offering. Pasta and pizza. I mean, can't go wrong with pasta and pizza, right? Of course, this lunch buffet, again, it's held in the same place that they have the breakfast buffet. And if you were staying here at this all-inclusive resort for the week, well, of course, you could also have dinner in this buffet area. And they change things up every day. So this is just a representation of what you might find here at the resort. Ice cream. Plenty of desserts. Plenty of things to, get that sweet tooth. And of course, after eating all those sweets, you may want a salad, something a little light. But thanks for watching, guys. Here we are, end of the day, right before leaving. We had such a great time. I hope you come here, visit. It is definitely a good time.